Don't buy iPhone on EMI. Actually, I should say don't buy any costly phone on EMI. That sounds good. Why I said? Few days ago, I visited mobile shop to get my phone repaired. I saw what you can expect that almost 18 to 20 year boy with his father purchasing iPhone 15 Pro 1.3 lakh rupees. Finally, as soon as the child father was paying the bill, he said one statement to the shopkeeper: I had not purchased iPhone throughout my life, but my son will. Before you think that the child would belong to rich family or child scored good marks, hold on. Well, the tone of child father while saying that statement, his facial expression and his eyes were telling the actually reality behind the iPhone. And do you know what? The worst part is child's father called someone else while billing. Obviously he don't have that much to pay. You too can understand this. EMI and all this procedure happened. The story don't stop here. Before the child and father make their way out from shop, the child father literally said two times that this is the last time that we are fulfilling your wish. Well, I don't think to elaborate the reason to you. I know you understand and relate very well with this real life incident. Do you know what the reason behind telling you the story is? Listen, when it comes to fulfilling your dreams and desire, your parents will make sure to fulfill irrespective of whether they have money or not. If they have some responsibility as a parent, don't you think you yourself also have some responsibility towards them? Do you seriously think that iPhone or any costly phone is so much important for you that you force your parent all your money to purchase that one phone? I have solution for you. If you're a college going student, if your friends, relative don't appreciate you just because you don't have that so-called fancy phone to attract people around you. If you're so damn passionate about that expensive phone, go and work and purchase it. Why every time your parents sacrifice that time, money, needs for you, you too also can do this. Don't unnecessarily put pressure on them. Trust me guys, no one cares whether you have 10,000 rupees phone or 1 lakh rupees phone. You made the persona of yourself that pretending to be rich by actually making yourself poor. Now let's come to the second category. If you are a salaried person, you will say, we earn money and then we buy phone on EMI and we pay EMI time to time. Are you stupid? Well, sorry for my words. Have a look this shocking data. Unsecured personal loans jumped more than fourfold to rupees 13.32 lakh crore as of March 2023 from rupees 4.26 lakh crore which was in March 2017. You can understand what people are doing right now with their money just because they got the opportunity of so-called EMI option. Acha, tell me following thing. Do you have emergency fund? Do you have insurance? Do you invest money? Do you have savings? I'm sure hardly any of you might have all this. How can it even happen? Because for you, your so-called fancy phone is everything. Oh, come on, man. What's the difference between you and the child? Both of you do the same thing. Child force their parents to waste their money on this thing, and you too also waste your own hard-earned money on these things. Let's say you work hard, really hard, entire month, and at the month end you get your salary, and someone come and steals every money from you. How would you feel? You will obviously feel like I will punish that guy and I will be very angry. What if I say that someone is none other than you? What is the punishment you will give to yourself? Don't you feel angry on yourself? Don't you feel shame on yourself? Don't you feel regret? You work entire month and when you get money, you just throw money like water. No, you can't do this, man. Between money and water, both are important. You can't waste like. Now you'll say what to do. There is no solution. Yeah, it is. Grow your income. Try to be less dependent on EMI. You need to know about savings, money management, financial mistake. In short, you need to know at least little bit about personal finance. Might my videos will help you. But wait, do you know what? Let me tell you the dark reality that you don't know how to spend money. Yeah, it's true. If you don't believe me, go and watch this video.